what's up everybody? It's Cory here. I'm down near the old quarter at the Long Biên Bridge, and there's a cool station here, and I'm just gonna kind of walk around and show you guys what this place looks like.
So looking down the track, I can see like some people just walking across the bridge on the tracks, and I'm technically just standing on the tracks as well. And you can do that here. So everyone's waiting. I'm just gonna cross. You can actually walk across the bridge all the way that way. Let's go.
So I was reading online that this bridge started to be built in 1899, and then they finished it in 1902, and then in 1903 it was officially opened. It's a giant cantilever bridge, and it crosses the river here. It's seen some damage through the years. It's been bombed multiple times. Actually, like laser-guided missiles were first tested on this bridge. And you know, during the Vietnam War, yeah, they definitely blew it up. So I want to say like more than half of the bridge is not the original piece of it, but they're trying to do some like restoration stuff and bring it back to like its glory days. Let's walk across the bridge and see some of the views, check out some of the old rusty metal, see if we can find a sign by the company that developed the bridge, and yeah, let's go.
A lot of rusty metal on this bridge. It's funny walking on this cement like pathway here. It's extremely thin, and if it broke, I would just fall straight through. I would fall like a good 20 feet at least down onto some cement and probably break my legs and my spine and my neck. So on one of the main beams here is the plate, the metal plate that shows the company name, Daydé Pillé, I hope I said that right, and from Paris, 1899 to 1902. That was the construction period. Earlier we saw those guys. Holy shit. That was really cool. We saw these guys from far away working on the tracks. I thought they were just normal people walking on the tracks, but they're actually workers. And he's heating up some iron little bolts, and then he tossed it over there. Did you see that? There he goes again. That's ridiculous. That's so ridiculous. Alright, so I've walked down past some of these homes here, lining the side of the railroad track. And then if you look down, there's actually like a little farm here. There's like a pig down there rummaging through, looks like a bunch of bricks and stone. This is a pig pen right here. And this is literally Hanoi City, but it looks like farmland. It's like jungle farmland. And then in the distance, you can see one of the other bridges. I don't know the name of it. You can see it going across there. Actually, I'm realizing that this entire area down here is a farm. You can see over here they actually have like a proper pig pen with some piggies in there eating and chilling. I see some chickens. Looks like I see some geese or something. Duck? Geese? They're through there. Can you see them walking? Yeah, and then there's a lot of fruit. I'm noticing like papaya and avocados, banana trees. Yeah, I don't see any coconut, but yeah, it's good to get out of the city and see some greenery like this, even though I'm literally like right at the edge of the city. This railing kind of like angles out and then it goes up, so you feel like a little weird because this is the edge but you're kind of like overlooking the water. A little boat party going on out there. Wonder if they're like eating. There's a fisherman walking to the water's edge with some poles in hand. Ah, on the other side is a fruit stand selling bananas. Man, I'm on this side. Hopefully there's some food on this side. Oh, look at this dog on the handlebars. Cruising. He put the dog down. Now the dog's gonna I guess just run alongside him. Yeah, this guy's rowing with his legs. Like he's going to that little boat party I mentioned earlier. I wonder what it is. Like, is it someone's home or is it just like a resting place? Do they trade goods there? What do they do? Lots of banana trees. Looks like they're burning some of the dead stuff over in the distance. I see some little green bananas. Oh, there's some papaya right there. Man, lots of banana trees. It's great. I haven't seen banana trees like this since the big island of Hawaii. A lot. Great landscape. Alright, and we've reached the actual river. You can see it's a lot wider than that smaller tributary that we passed over earlier. But this is the Red River, and it runs all around Hanoi. Oh wow, look at this. There's a guy swimming in this muddy water with goggles. And he's got like a little, what do you call it? Like plastic bottle tied to him as like a floaty. So I guess people know that he's there. I wonder what he's going for. That current looks really strong. There's another guy. You see him there? He seems much younger. The other guy seemed old. He had gray hair. But that guy also is swimming against the current. But he doesn't have a floaty. Maybe it's just exercise. It's pretty serious exercise. Yeah, this is a bit scary. If any one of these cement tiles broke, I would fall straight through and go right to the river. There's like no safety mechanism or anything. You can see that current is really strong, and here comes another guy. I guess they're just going for a swim. It must be cool. It's really hot out right now. Looks like he's got some kind of, he's on something. Styrofoam, something that's keeping him afloat, like a boogie board. Yeah, this guy's fishing right from the bridge. Man, look at those clouds. It looks like it's raining a lot way over there. I live in that direction where all that massive like rain and shadow is. It's good to be out of that, finally. All right, almost to the end of the bridge. I've never been over on this side ever. So it's kind of interesting to be over here. So the railroad track, once you cross over, You can see the bridge ends and then it turns into just a normal railroad track that cuts through the country. Some little shops here. You can buy some sugarcane juice and stuff like that. Some fruit vendors down here below the bridge. Got some nice looking fruit. Okay, so I found the sidewalk that loops back up to the bridge and goes back into the old quarter. And so I'm just kind of following it. And it circles around this park, which happens to have like a mini like amusement park for children over there. There's like a bouncy house and there's like a mini carousel and stuff like that. All right, bridge entrance is right here. We're just gonna walk right back. The sun's popping out through a little hole in the sky. Some rooftops heading back. There's the river, the Red River. Wow, a lot of charcoal. You guys, this has to be one of the most epic scenes I've seen in a long time. Oh, and the sun's going away. You can see some debris here collecting on the edge of this cement thing. Alright, I came to a section here where there's some vendors selling some fruit. Let's see what they have.
Yeah, those ladies weren't too happy with me filming, but at least they were nice enough to just like smile and tell me not to film.
Just a whole bunch more banana trees. I found the banana vendor on the other side, but a lot of her bananas are really old and rotten, so I'm not going to pick up any. You see this wooden ladder system that they just used with some wire to hold it into place. That way they can get up there and I guess do whatever kind of work they need to do. But yeah, that does not look safe. And we've crossed back over to the old quarter, and I made it before the rains actually came and knocked out my filming session. And then the road curves down and goes out to the main street.
Alright guys, we made it back to the old quarter. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video tour of the Long Biên Bridge. It was really cool. This is something I've definitely wanted to check out since I moved here. Whenever I thought about coming out to check it out and like get all my stuff ready, it would just downpour like crazy. So I'm very happy that the weather broke long enough for me to come check it out. And it looks like the clouds are rolling in, so I do need to seek shelter or go home, cool down, grab a nice cool beverage, and edit this video for you guys. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Thanks for supporting me all across social media and Patreon. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. why I've been staying home for many days in a row. I went out to film, thought I could beat the rain. I didn't. So I was on my Grab motorbike going home, and halfway on the ride it just started downpouring, and now it's flooding, and I'm actually gonna have to walk through some of it. So I want to show you guys this. I'm filming with my Samsung phone, which is water resistant but not waterproof. Rain is okay, but if I drop it in the ocean or into this flooded street, it's not gonna survive. Oh shit, I gotta walk in this. Yeah, my shoes are completely screwed. I am soaked. Rainy season in Vietnam. It's real. I'm gonna run. This is my street. Really soaked. Alright, I made it home. I am soaking wet completely, top to bottom. All my hair and clothes and camera bag. Luckily inside is nice and dry, but my shirt completely soaking wet, and my pants and my socks. That, my friends, is why I've been staying home every single day. Even out there with a raincoat, I just got completely soaking wet. Raincoat did not matter. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a random thing filmed with my phone, putting it at the end of the video just for some giggles. And see you guys next time. Bye.